Have you ever paused in the produce section, looking at two bins of onions, one red, one white, and suddenly realized you have no clue which one you're actually supposed to choose? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Most people reach for whatever they grew up seeing in their kitchen, or whatever looks right in the moment. But the truth is, the difference between red and white onions goes far beyond appearance. Today, we're breaking down red onions versus white onions, covering flavor, texture, chemistry, cooking uses, history, nutrition, and even price. By the time you're done watching, you'll never hesitate over your onion choice again. Onions are among the oldest ingredients humans have ever cooked with. They appear in ancient artwork, early medical writings, and centuries-old recipes across many cultures. While onions as a whole share a long and fascinating past, red onions and white onions each develop their own unique identities along the way. Red onions feel bold and expressive, almost like the standout characters of the vegetable world. White onions, by contrast, are simple and understated, quietly doing their job without drawing attention, and those differences matter. The onion you choose can dramatically affect a dish's flavor, aroma, and even its appearance. So which one belongs in your recipe and when? Let's break it down. Let's start with what most people care about first: taste. Red onions are known for being milder and slightly sweet when eaten raw. They still have a bite, but it's softer and more balanced. That's why red onions are so commonly used in salads, burgers, tacos, and sandwiches. They add crunch and aroma without overpowering everything else on the plate. White onions, on the other hand, bring a sharper and more intense flavor. They're brighter, stronger, and more assertive on the tongue. If red onions gently suggest their presence, white onions make sure you notice them. This boldness is exactly why white onions are popular in dishes where the onion flavor needs to stand out, such as salsas, pickled foods, and many bold aromatic cuisines. In simple terms, red onions are milder and sweeter, while white onions are stronger and more pungent. Texture is another difference people often overlook, but it plays a big role. Red onions tend to be firmer and crunchier, which makes them ideal for raw preparations. Even when sliced thin, they hold their structure and deliver a satisfying bite in fresh dishes. White onions are slightly softer, especially once heat is applied. They break down more quickly during cooking and melt into sauces, soups, and sautés with ease. If you want an onion that blends smoothly into a dish without much effort, white onions get there faster. Simply put, red onions are better for raw crunch, and white onions are better for quick cooking. Now let's get a little scientific. The sharp bite of an onion comes from sulfur compounds released when the onion cells are cut. These compounds are responsible for the strong smell, the intense flavor, and, of course, the tears. White onions generally contain more sulfur compounds, which explains their stronger taste and why cutting them can feel like a personal attack on your eyes. Red onions still cause tears, but they contain slightly less sulfur and more natural sugars, which is why they taste milder by comparison. Red onions also contain pigments called anthocyanins, which give them their deep purple-red color. These pigments act as antioxidants and have an interesting property: they change color depending on acidity. When red onions come into contact with acidic ingredients like vinegar or lemon juice, their color brightens and shifts toward pink. So if you've ever noticed that effect while cooking, now you know it's chemistry at work. For most home cooks, this next part is the most important: when to use each type. Red onions are at their best when used raw or lightly cooked. They shine in salads, tacos, sandwiches, burgers, ceviche, pickled toppings, Mediterranean dishes, and as garnishes for grilled meats. When cooked too long, red onions lose their vibrant color and turn dull and grayish. They still taste good, but the visual appeal disappears. So if presentation matters, keep them raw or cook them briefly. White onions are the go-to option for strong flavors and fast cooking. They're commonly used in salsas, soups, stir-fries, casseroles, and as the aromatic base for many dishes. Their sharper taste holds up well against bold ingredients like chilies, tomatoes, spices, and vinegar. They also soften quickly, blending seamlessly into cooked foods. Visually, red onions clearly steal the spotlight. Their deep purple color instantly makes dishes look more appealing, whether it's a fresh salad or a stacked burger. Those colorful rings add contrast and visual excitement. White onions may look plain, but that neutrality is sometimes exactly what you want. They disappear visually into dishes, allowing other ingredients to take center stage. So the question becomes simple. Do you want your onions to be noticed or not? Price can also play a role. In many places, red onions cost slightly more because they're harder to grow and store. Their thinner skin makes them more prone to bruising and damage. White onions grow more abundantly and store better, which usually makes them cheaper and more commonly used in everyday cooking. That affordability is one reason restaurants often rely on white onions. They're reliable, economical, and versatile. For home cooks, though, the price difference is usually small enough that it won't make a big impact either way. Onions are often overlooked because they seem so basic. But once you understand the differences between red and white onions, their flavor, chemistry, cultural uses, and how they behave during cooking, you realize that choosing the right onion can elevate a dish more than you ever expected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories hidden within the simplest everyday things.